It's mail time, and today's mail is from Rebel Potions. I got this wonderful goodie box. I have no clue what is in here. I do know that it smells amazing because I could smell it when I picked it up off the porch. I went ahead and pre-opened because some of the boxes just don't like me. If you want me to go back to opening on camera, just comment below and we can always go back to that. So I have not peeked inside. This is the first glimpse. I'll let you guys see that. Oh, we have a card stamping. So here is the inside contents. Always well packed to get everything here safely. So we have this little card. Adorable. I do not know if these are made for her or what, but they are so stinking cute. I don't even know where to go. I think we're gonna go here. Medusa didn't make it too well, but you can definitely still tell it was gorgeous. And our mailman, I think, does play soccer with our packages because this was really well packed. But still, it smells amazing. I cannot wait to use this one. Medusa is a haunted house scent, and these are very large at 10 to 11 ounces. Oh, this is very large. This one is called Get Your Bubbles. I have not seen this one yet, so I wonder if this is a new one. Gorgeous, and it says bubbles right there, and look at the little label. This one is Rockstar Scented, and this is the first time you guys have seen one of her new reformulated products, and you can see that it's a lot different and a lot harder than the other ones used to be. I told you that she was working on a new line when I had reviewed the Purgatory. That one is huge. And it says that that one's 6 to 8 ounces. It's very large. And then we have, oh my goodness, I love this one. Lisa franked my whole heart. Black amber and lavender scented. Oh my goodness, I absolutely love it. Look at that mica and that design. If you guys don't remember Lisa Frank, which was probably really big around the early 90s, and if you were in school, your folders, pencils, pens, backpack, everything was Lisa Frank. And I was part of this generation, so this one here actually pulls close to home because I had all of that Lisa Frank stuff, and now I have the Lisa Frank My Heart Bath Bomb from Rebel Potions. And oh my goodness, it smells amazing. The scent is a wonderful pair with this absolutely wonderful package from Rebel Potions. And if you guys stay tuned, I'm going to show you what you can do with these. Thanks for joining in, and stay tuned for more video and bath product reviews coming soon.